First, make sure to register your MGame hardware from the MGame website, mgame.com, where you will also download and install the latest MGame software on any PC that will be connected to the MGame hardware. The MGame software is the main control software for your MGame hardware and also includes an embedded audio driver and firmware updater. Plug in the power cable, connect your computer to the Stream USB port with a USB cable, and turn the unit on. Connect your microphone and headphones or headset to the rear panel of the MGame. If you have a USB microphone, please see the video about how to connect a USB mic to your MGame hardware. In the MGame software's homepage, click on the Set Mic button. This takes you to the setup page of the software. Under Microphone, turn phantom power on or off depending on whether you are using a dynamic or condenser microphone. Most headset microphones do not require phantom power. Place your microphone where you will have it during your stream. Speak into your microphone at the loudest volume you expect to speak during your stream. Slowly turn up the gain knob on the back right of the MGame hardware until the mic fader's audio meter on the hardware flashes red 3 times, and then slowly turn back down the gain knob until the mic fader's audio meter no longer flashes red. If you have a low gain microphone such as the Shure SM7B or Electro Voice RE20, you can use the boost knob in the software to get the extra gain that those mics need. Simply speak into the mic at the loudest volume you expect to speak in your stream and turn up the boost knob until the mic fader's meter in the software shows the top LED lit red. And then slowly turn the boost knob back down until the mic fader's meter in the software no longer shows red. To learn how to further shape the sound of your mic, check out the video on shaping the sound of your mic. To get your mic sounding as good as possible, as quickly as possible, we've included presets for some of the most popular streaming microphones and headsets. Simply go into the File menu and select Setup, Load Microphone Settings, and select what microphone or headset you're using. Now that you've set up your mic, you can turn off the hardware meter button in the software to return the mic fader to its default LED behavior. In the MGame software's Setup tab's Hardware section, select what source your game audio is coming from and what source your chat audio is coming from. Open your game, your chat, and any other programs you may want to run during your stream. Make sure audio is playing. Press the Windows key and then type Sound Settings into the search bar. Alternatively, right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar and select Open Sound Settings. On Windows 11, in Sound Settings, set your output as System and your input as Stream. Then select Volume Mixer. In this window, you will see every audio source running. You will also be able to select where that audio is being sent to and from by pressing the down arrow next to the app's volume slider. This allows you to send audio from different programs to the MGame. In App Volume and Device Preferences on Windows 10, or in System and Volume Mixer on Windows 11, next to the game that you are running, select the Output dropdown and select Game, M-Audio, MGame RGB Dual. Once this has been selected, your game's audio level will be controlled by the game fader on your MGame hardware. For your chat app, select Chat, M-Audio, MGame RGB Dual, to route chat's audio to the chat fader. Please note, if you're using a chat application like Discord, set the audio input to chat and output to chat. This will ensure that your chat audio is sent to the MGame RGB Dual's chat fader and that your MGame software's chat routing will only send your chat. For your music app or any other app, select System M-Audio MGame RGB Dual to route music programs or other audio to the system aux fader. You can route additional computer audio sources to the system channel if you would like to control additional streams of software audio. Please see the links below on how to set up your MGame hardware and software on Mac OS. On Windows 10, in Sound Settings, set your output as System. This will ensure anything you're not routing to a specific fader will be sent to the system fader on your M-Game hardware, and your input as Stream. This will set your broadcast mix as your default output source. Under Advanced Sound Options, select App Volume and Device Preferences. In this window, you will see every audio source running and where that audio is being sent to and from. The fader on the microphone channel now controls the volume of your microphone. The game fader, chat fader, sampler fader, and system fader now control their respective audio streams, and the main control knob in the center of your M-Game hardware controls the volume of your headphones. It should be noted that the M-Game RGB Dual's main control knob has two modes, one for controlling the headphone and main out volume, and the other for controlling the FX parameters. Please ensure that the speaker icon is lit to control the headphone level. Turn up the volume of your headphones and slowly turn up the volume on your microphone, game, chat, sampler, and system faders. You should now be able to hear all of your content and your microphone in your headphones. If you don't hear your microphone or content in your headphones or speakers, or have any other issues, please check the troubleshooting tips on mgame.com. Test your effects. By pressing a voice effects button, you can activate one of the default loaded effects, and you should hear your voice change in your headphones. Pressing it again will turn it off. To learn more about effects, check out the video on working with effects. Test your samples. Find the sampler fader on the right side of your M-Game hardware, the one whose icon resembles the hardware button layout. Turn up the fader. Press one of the sample buttons and you should hear a default loaded sample play. You can adjust the volume of your sample in proportion to your microphone by turning up or down the sample or mic faders. For more information about samples, check out the video on working with samples. If you return to the home page of the M-Game software, you can see a visual reference of the state of your hardware. You will be able to see input levels from your mic, game, chat, sampler, and a mix of aux and system input. You can use your faders to control the output mix and blend these signals going to your stream. For information about more complex routing setups, see the video about the routing page. In OBS, in the File Settings menu, select the Audio tab. Under Global Audio Devices, set Desktop Audio to Disabled, and set Desktop Audio 2 to Disabled. Set Mic Auxiliary Audio to M-Game's Stream channel. Make sure that Mic Auxiliary 2, 3, and 4 are all set to Disabled. In the Advanced section, set Monitoring Device to Default. Click Apply and press OK. Make sure that your full broadcast stream audio is not clipping going into the red in OBS. If it is, dial back the individual hardware faders on the M-Game until the broadcast stream signal from the M-Game is no longer clipping. A signal in OBS between -15 dB and -10 dB should be a good broadcast level. You're now ready to stream or record, but you have barely scratched the surface of your M-Game's capabilities. Please see the full series of videos to unlock the potential of your new game streaming solution.